Namaste, I'm Sarita from Seracare Circle Center. So today we are going to explain more about this jade ionized alkaline water. So this particular device, it's not a purifier or RO or a machine which uses UV rays to purify, but it's a medical device which is being used in several hospitals from South Korea. Okay, so the water which we usually drink consists of dust particles, microbes, smell, acidic substances and minerals. So among these, we only require minerals for our body. So now about this device, it mainly consists of 3 power filters. So the first filter will get rid of the dust particles, second filter will get rid of the smell, third filter will get rid of the microbes. When these processes happen, it gets rid of the minerals present in the water as well. And for the acidic part, it still remains in the water. So no filter in the market can get rid of the acidic substances that's been present in the water. So in order to solve this problem, we have installed platinum and titanium plates in this device, which has been proven to get rid of the acidic substances that is being present in the water. So you may ask what happened to the acidic substances that was earlier present in the water. It comes out as beauty water, which is what we like to call it because it's been mixed with mineralized water. This you can use it for treating your skin related problems. So here no water goes to waste. The ideal pH of human body should be 7.36, in which 80% of it should be alkaline and 20% of it should be acidic. So due to our bad food habits or bad lifestyle and drinking polluted water, our body becomes weak and very vulnerable to diseases. And by drinking this water, it will neutralize your body's pH by making it more alkaline. So the drinking alkaline water has 4 levels. So the first level of alkaline water can be used for eye-related problems and kidney-related problems.
Second grade of alkaline water is being extracted now.
And the second level can be used as regular drinking water.
Third grade of alkaline water is being extracted now.
And the third level can be used for the preparation of tea, coffee, juice or for cooking purpose.
Fourth grade of alkaline water is being extracted now.
As this fourth level is high in pH, it can be used as a medicine for your motion related problems and PCOD problems and for cancer treating, and you can also use it for washing your vegetables.
Water is being extracted now.
And we have the 0 level water, which is also called as purified water, which can be used for the drinking purpose for the pregnant ladies and babies and children below 1 year old. And next we have acidic water.
First grade of acid water is being extracted now.
And acidic water has 3 levels. So the first level can be used to wash your face and body. It will get rid of the dust particles and bacteria that's been present in your body.
Second grade of acid water is being extracted now.
And the second level of acidic water can be used to treat wounds and stop blood leaking, and also can be used as a pet disinfectant spray.
Third grade of acid water is being extracted now.
Third level of acidic water can be used to clean your house and plant care. Now I'm going to add this well water and add this pH liquid to test it. If this water turns to red, orange or yellow, it means your water is acidic and is incapable of drinking. But if it turns to green, it means you can drink this water, but as soon as it enters your body, it will turn into acidic as it's neutral. And if your water turns to blue, darker blue or purple color, it means it's alkaline and you can drink this water. So as you can see, this water has turned yellow, which means it's acidic and you cannot drink this water. Here we are going to add some alkaline water. So as you can see, this water has turned purplish, which means it's alkaline and you can drink this water to be healthy. So here we have this alkaline water which we just tested, and I'll just add in this 1 drop of this Harpic to this, and we'll see the results. As you can see, this water has been turned into yellow color, which is acidic, and this is how the water you use at home is getting acidic. So now we'll see if the water in your house will get rid of the chemical that's been present in your food. Let's test it. Come. Here I'm adding turmeric to these 2 glasses. So this is the well water which I'm adding.
Grade of alkaline water is being extracted now.
As you can clearly see the difference between these 2 water. So here we have used the well water. As you see, the well water has the potential to take off the chemicals that's present in your food, but here the alkaline water has clearly taken off the chemicals that was present in the food. That when you drink the tap water, it does not get rid of the chemicals that's present in your body. So when you're born, usually your body pH is more alkaline, but as you grow old, you start consuming too much of junk food, which makes your body more acidic. And so now I'm going to ask him to blow some air into the solution. If it turns yellow, it means his body has turned into acidic. Okay, thank you. As you can see, it's turned into an yellow color, which means its body is in acidic state. I'm going to ask our staff who has been drinking alkaline water from past 5 years to blow air into the solution and see the results. Okay, so you can see for yourself that this water hasn't changed its color and it's still purplish. So it means her body is alkaline and she is healthy.